Oh, brother. I've been dreading this project. Momi's been on me for the last week, more than a week, probably 2 weeks. Here we are in the half bath. Hello dear. Here we are in the half bath, and this pedestal sink is going to go up, but that's not the project today. I'm going to be installing a toilet. The Herkel flange is over there. That's where the old toilet location used to be. We went to the store and we got a toilet. I'll talk about that in a minute. If you want to watch this series on how to install a toilet, stick around. Now the funny thing is, can anybody install a toilet? Yes. You don't have to be a plumber or have to have all this knowledge that a plumber contractor has. And if you were to call a plumber to install this toilet, I have no idea how much they would charge. $175, $200 maybe for their labor to install the toilet, not to mention them. If you wanted them to pick up the toilet, oh yeah, there's all kinds of toilets at the store, at the hardware store. We were at the hardware store. Oh, there must have been, maybe 16 to 20 different toilets to pick from. Why did we come up with this one? Well, let's just talk about this for a minute. This is a little half bath. There used to be a toilet here that was just a round type of bowl, not an elongated type of bowl. And we decided to put an elongated bowl there because there's enough room here for that. And Momi wanted an elongated bowl, and she wanted one that was a little bit higher than the standard, the old standard style. And you see here, confirm the chair height, toilet bowl height is what you desire. This is 16.5 from the floor to the top of the bowl, the toilet bowl. That's what you're looking at right there, the front of the toilet, okay? And it's elongated. Elongated means, see how it's oblong, kind of shape of an egg. It gives you a little bit more room there to maneuver around and stuff. And it's just a little bit better. You'll know what I'm talking about. Here's a regular one. See how it's round? It's round here, and here's the elongated. The elongated sticks out a little bit further. And did you know the old style, the older toilets, the height from the floor up to the top of the bowl is usually around 15 inches, 15 and a quarter. I measured the other two toilets we have upstairs, 15 inches. So this one's 16.5. When you get a little bit older, maybe you don't want to get down there, and maybe you would like a toilet that's a little bit higher. Now, do they have even higher ones than that? Yeah, they have 17 inches. 17 to 19 is kind of considered the handicap measurements for a handicap style toilet. But did you know they also go up to 21 inches tall? 21. 16.5 to 17 is considered I forget what they call it. The comfort toilets. 16.5 to 17. Okay, so look around. Some places, you know, and on their displays, you'll usually see a display sign with the height of the toilet. If you want something higher than even 16.5, look. And some hardware stores, they might not have anything higher than 16.5, 17 inches. You may have to go to a plumbing wholesale house, you know, something like that, to get a toilet, and hopefully they'll sell to the public. Lots of times they'll sell to the public, and you can look at their toilets and stuff and decide what kind of toilet you want. But here, we're gonna go with the elongated toilet.